You can hear the sound. That is hailstorm. Right, so Rosie asked for a ventilated kitchen cabinet. So as you'll see in the other video bit, I made one, and here it is, and here is her seeing it. Come on, Babs. I meant come in here to look at it.
Oh.
God.
It's very cabinety.
But bask in the glory.
I mean, is it done?
Yeah. You can have more shelves if you want.
Is it affixed to the wall?
Yep.
Looks pretty good. Looks like a cabinet.
Mm-hmm. If you push, the magnet shuts.
She's magnetic! Is she fancy? Didn't take you 2 hours though, did it?
Took a lot longer than that. Had a bit of a battle with some of the machinery. Wojtek's thicknesser died twice, and then a cable broke, and then I had to help him do his electrics.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So actually in total that probably didn't take very long.
Does it need fly netting at the back?
Yeah. That's why we still got the whole rest of the roll, so we can just put some on the top edge and on the side edges, just to close up the gaps.
That's pretty good. Pallet wood?
No. Leftovers, so the doors and the side and the vertical bits are leftovers from Wojtek's floor. Yeah. And the horizontal ones are a piece of wood I bought for £5.
Nice.
So apart from the hinges, it was all free, basically.
We like free shit.
We like free shit. Which is very, very farmhouse.
Yeah. Paint her a beautiful eau de Nil.
Don't you dare. I just spent ages sanding that and oiling it.
It looks like it's oiled. All right, you did oil it. I was joking. You can leave it with your oil finish.
Well, you can paint it if you really want to.
No, you know, everything in this kitchen is very rustic, so it really goes with the rustic vibe.
I mean, you could paint flowers on it or something.
How much free time do you think I've got?
Well, I don't know what you've been doing all day. I assume you've been asleep.
I've been looking after your children, potting,
Potting?
planting,
Uh-huh.
planting your vegetables.
Gosh. Away. That appears to have done quite a good job.
No maggots?
Not that I can see. I mean, if any maggot that could survive in that. I mean, that was so much salt.
Denton, stop.
Off. It's too much salt, bud.
Won't you two stop drinking salty water?
We want to go to the beach.
Salem!
Out. Out, both of you. Do I see your nose go in that bucket, bud?
Did you say you took the everything?
Yeah, it's said it's upstairs in a little pouch hanging behind the door.
Spray battery.
Thank you. Salicylic acid, apparently. In she goes. Goat 2. the Duchess murdering various bits of corn. Gentle corn murdering. And it is far too hot for the doggos. They are not happy. Very not happy with the heat. It isn't even that hot yet. And there we have the screaming goats. I am going to briefly take a break from skinning. Very salty, acidic water is the order of the day. With a specific kind of acid. I think I've got as much of the fat off these as I can. But the water is very acidic and doesn't half burn.
Just finished trimming the corn field. Oh, my back. My back is killing me. That was really hard to do. Oh my god. We really should have left a gap of like at least a meter, I think, between each row. Because the concentration of trying not to destroy the corn was intense. But that looks so much better. Look at that, it actually looks like a cornfield. Brilliant. Anyways, I'm gonna go have a really cold beer.
I need to come over there. It's too hot for us now. Give her a run.
Hot.
I'm sure it'll be lovely in the evening.
You can sleep out here in the night.
You can sleep out here in the night.
Salem will be sleeping out here in the night.
Well, she can sleep on this, you can sleep on that.
Good morning. It is Tuesday morning. It is quite a misty grey morning, so we're making the most of it by doing some stuff outside. Tom is downstairs on the field sorting out the vineyard. That large section of field down there next to the barley and the corn and where the goats are is where the original owners of the house used to have a huge vineyard. And the previous owners of this house, who are Americans, basically had the entire, not just the vineyard, but the entire land cleared of all trees, all grapevines, all posts. And over winter we were trying to see if we could recover the vineyard, but because all the grapevines were dry and dead, we couldn't really see where the lines were. But now everything is nice and green. We can actually see where the grapevines are. So Tom is seeing if he can put the vines on bamboo posts, and then I will go in and trim around it, and then hopefully over autumn and winter this year we can actually get this whole section up and running as a fully functioning vineyard. And what I'm Salem, no! That's my sweet corn! No, bad dog. Bad doggy, no biscuits. And my task, I bought half a kilo of sweet eating corn yesterday from the local seed shop, and I want to see if I can basically get a section of land on the veg terrace ready and put some of those corn in. I've had it soaking since yesterday. Salem has just eaten half of it. You better stay away from that bucket. Stay away from the corn. Good girl, good sit. And also, I had ordered some gardening tools from AliExpress, which arrived a few days ago, so this will be a good opportunity to test them out. We have this sort of curved, what's that called? Hoe? Curved hoe? And then this spiky thing, which looks like this. The section that I'm going to prepare for the corn is just here, which is on the edge of the veg terrace next to the road. So I'm going to pull up some of the shade cloth. I'm going to put probably some logs. We've got some logs on this terrace just to define the borders, and then get some corn in, because we've planted a lot of animal corn, but we haven't planted eating corn. Actually, I'm lying. I bought a very small bag of eating corn, which had like 12 seeds in, which was such a waste of money. But those seeds are currently growing. But might as well plant a larger section. So let's get started. Salem, stop it. Stop eating the corn. Which one should we try out first, Salem? Which one should we try out? This one? The spiky one? Or this one? What do you think? You don't know? You don't care? Okay. Let's do the spiky one, shall we? Ooh, look at that. That was easy. Oh, I know. Maybe if I just get them all up, then I can scrape them all together. Ooh. Oh. There's a rubber thing in there. Salem, leave the tool alone. What are you barking at? This is genuinely not bad. Is it, Sales? Both of these tools work absolutely beautifully. I did not expect that. But this makes weeding so easy. You have to sort of stay on the top level because I think if you get this too deep in the ground it's just going to snap. But beautiful, mate, beautiful. Look how beautiful that looks there. Love that for me. Love that for me. Can I have a glove? Can I get my glove? That's mine. My glove back? Will you be a good boy and give me my glove back? I'm not chasing you. Ow! No. I'm not chasing you with my glove. Here's water. Oh, you know, just trying to get some peace and quiet.
2 dogs.
With 2 dogs trying to fight each other. Ow! Ah, Fenton, you're poor. Peaceful country land. Ow! Watch the claws, please. Watch the claws. Ow! That's my thumb. Are you done? Ooh, right in the mouth. Thank you. Thank you, Shayla. Thank you for your kisses, Shayla. Oh, kisses. Kisses. Oh, what's that down there? Is that Papa? Do you want to go get him? Want to go bite him right in the ass? Yeah? Want to go bite Papa in the ass? Should we go bite Papa in the ass? Oh, here we go. Yeah? Ow. Why don't you two go take a nap, huh? When you go take a nap? Salem, you have no chill. No chill. Ah, that's close to my nipple. Okay, you know what? You two can fight and play off me. I am not your playmat. Right, so I think this section is ready for some corn. I've tried to reuse the torn up shade cloth as a border and just put some logs that we had lying around and old tiles, just so we know where the edge of the line is. I'm going to leave a gap, maybe slightly bigger, slightly larger than this, maybe twice the width of this, in between the lines of corn, so that we can weed just using that. And yeah, happy with that, I think. Meanwhile, Tom has been hard at work picking out all his grapevines.